Hello, what's up, guys? We have a totally different meal today. It's only boiled eggs, only eggs. So we have 15 eggs. Yeah, it's quality food, it's quality product. So it's a very good and healthy and rich. Uh, so I'm gonna eat like only egg white. So I don't like eating much yolk. Yeah, let's see what we have got. We got eggs. See, you can see the inside. We have yolk here, but I don't like eating yolk. Normally, uh, people can't eat a lot of eggs because uh, it's it doesn't have any taste. It doesn't have any good taste because it's really weird. We can't a lot of eggs, so it's person to person. It's different. So it's which means what is your it means your sport, it's very different. So I'm into fitness, and if you are into fitness or you are a regular person, so you can eat 2-3 eggs for a day. That's okay. And one more thing, so if you want to eat eggs, you can eat boiled eggs. So it's a good method. So if you want to eat eggs, so don't deep fry. It's not a good method because when you fried your eggs, you are putting oil. So it's not a good method. It's basic. It's very difficult job today because I want to eat this all. You can see it inside. Some people eat a lot of egg to maintain their body weight and to gain their lean muscle. It's a very good product. So it's a very good protein to build your muscles and build your immune system and your health. It's a good product. So it's a good meal. So normally one egg has 5 to 6 gram of protein in it. uh, so I prefer to eat only white because it's only protein, no fat, no cholesterol. Even you can eat 1 2 yolk, that's okay, that's not a problem, that's not a big issue. So if you're gonna eat yolk, then 2 is enough. So don't get worried, don't be worried to eat just 1 or 2 yolk. It's not bad cholesterol, it's not bad fat, it's not non-essential fat, it's essential fat. So it's okay, you can eat 1 to 3 egg yolks, it's okay. So it's person to person, which means I told you before, as I mentioned before, it's person to person different. It's protein intake, eggs intake, it's very different person to person. It's because if you want big quantity of protein, then you can eat like 10 to 12 egg whites normally. So I'm into powerlifting, so I eat 10 to 12 and 15 egg whites for a day. So that's not an issue because if you are into training, if you are into sport, so you can eat a lot of eggs. It's good stuff, only white, it's good. It's a very famous thing among athletes. Four eggs done. We have 11 more to go. As I told you before, it's a very difficult thing to eat boiled eggs without anything. It's only eggs. But if you can eat, if you can try this food without sauce, without other foods, it's a very good meal. So normally protein helps to repair your body tissues and muscles. It's really good food for your muscles. Normally it has vitamins and minerals, which means what you need your body, so you can produce your energy level. It helps to boost your energy system. It helps to maintain your immune system. It's a very good product. That's why it's very difficult to eat. Five eggs done. We have 10 more to go. It's kind of very hard thing to finish it. It's very difficult. But if you can finish it, it's a very good thing. Normally, so I can suggest one thing. So after a good workout, if you need a healthy food, if you need a essential food like a post-workout meal, it's a very good food to add to your post meal. So you can add eggs and sandwich, something which means like breads and protein. So it has carbohydrates and protein. So normally after a workout we need carbs and protein, so it has both. We used to eat a lot of things, we used to eat a lot of good stuff, so this kind of very hard to eat, but I can feel it. When you eat eggs, it fills your body, no need to eat other stuff. It fills your body, it fills your stomach. No need to eat any other stuff. Yeah, I can feel it. We have yolk here. It's cholesterol, don't eat a lot of yolk, it's not good. Yeah, I know it tastes very good, it tastes so good, but I don't think it's a good thing to eat a lot of yolk. It's cholesterol and it has fat. Normally one egg has like 4 grams cholesterol fat, so it's not a very good thing to eat a lot of yolk. I'm already full because I had 5 egg whites early in the morning with my breakfast, and normally I eat 10 to 15 egg whites for a day because I train heavy. Yeah, as I told you before, as I mentioned before, so it's person to person different. So it's person to person, it's different. So how many protein grams and how many calories to take, it's a very different thing. So if you are a heavy lifter, so if you are into fitness or something, so you are a normal person, like average person, go to gym every single day, so you can eat 5 to 6 egg whites for a day. It's not a problem, so it's not a big issue, it's a normal thing. So average person can eat 4-5 egg whites for a day. I can feel it, it's already full, my stomach full. I can feel it, it's filling. I'm hungry, but I can't eat more. It fillings my things inside my body. I didn't eat yolk because I had 2 yolk early morning, and then I'll be eating 2 yolk 2:01 in the night, maybe before sleep or maybe after my workout. Yeah, I'll be eating 2 1 egg yolk. Yeah, I'm totally full. So my stomach full, my body says no more eggs. Yeah, I'm done with eggs. So I ate a lot of eggs. It has a lot of protein. Yeah, lot of protein. So it's good for the body, it's good for the muscle. It's really good, I means it's really good. Superb. Okay, so do you have any suggestion, like do you have any good meals so you can share, so you can share your ideas with us? So comment on our videos, share our videos, and like our videos, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you on another episode. Thank you. Good luck, guys.